Hello everybody and welcome to your English course. This is week 4 and today we have class 4, phonics, the sound I. And the letters are IGH, like in night, sight, and right. Okay everybody, let's start. Let's watch a video.
Kids versus phonics. I. Night.
Night.
Light.
Light.
Night light.
Night light.
Right.
Right.
Bright.
Bright.
Bright. Right.
Right, right.
Not a bright night light.
Not a bright night light.
I want a bright night light. A bright night light? Tight. A bright night light. A bright night light. Too bright, too bright. In the end, the new bright night light is just right.
Okay, everybody. Now let's start with the words, okay? Everybody repeat after me. High. 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 Yeah, very high. Like the buildings, right? They are high. Sigh. 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 For example, sigh is doing this. That is sigh. Okay? Good job. Everybody repeat after me. Light. 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 Good job. That is a light, right? Right. Right. In English, right means two things. One, good. One of the meaning is good. And the other one is just the right. Okay, the right. One of them is right, that means correcto. And the other one is right, derecha. Okay, both of them are in English are right. Okay. Okay, everybody. Right. 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 Good job. Next, repeat after me. Night. 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 N-I-T. Night. Good. Repeat after me. Tight. Tight. T-I-T. Tight. T-I-T. Tight. It's very tight in there, right? Everybody repeat after me. Sight. Sight. S-I-T. Sight. S-I-T. Sight. The sight, okay? It is one of our 5 senses, right? Sight. My sight. The sight. Okay, what happened over there? It is a fight. Fight. F-I-T. Fight. F-I-T. Fight. F-I-T. Fight. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is a fight. Fights are not good, right? Fights are not right. Okay, everybody, now let's go to our next word. Bright. Bright. B-I-T. B-R-I-T. Bright. Bright. Okay, everybody, so that is a bright light, right? It's a bright light. Okay, good. Bright means brillante. Okay, it's a bright light. Do you remember, like the story? A bright night light? Good. Okay, now what happened here? Oh my gosh, poor kitty. He's scared. He got a fright. 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 Repeat after me. F-R-I-T. Fright. It's a fright. A fright. I gave you a fright and you jumped. Fright. Boo. A fright. Okay? A fright. Fright in Spanish means susto. Okay? Fright. Okay, everybody. Good job. Now let's go to our magic phonics worksheet. Okay, everybody? We have to trace. We are going to trace, practice the pronunciation, and color the pictures. Okay, everybody? Okay. Let's go to our magic phonics worksheet. This is our worksheet, right? Okay, everybody, don't forget to put your names, okay? For example, if your name is Rosa, you write Rosa, okay? You have to write your name. Okay. Then the date. What day is today? 24th, right? So 24 April, right? 24th April. Okay, now what do you have to do? We have to say the sound and then trace the letter. Repeat after me. I. I, I. I, I, I. I, I, I. I, I, I. Okay, now we're going to trace the letter. And with which color, teacher? Okay, you may use blue. Okay, everybody, we're going to work with blue color. We're gonna trace with blue color, okay? Everybody, we're gonna trace with blue color. Everybody, trace with blue color. I'm gonna trace I, okay? You're gonna trace better than me. I cannot trace very well. But you're gonna trace. We're gonna trace I. Okay, everybody? We're gonna trace I. Good job. We're gonna trace, okay? We're gonna trace with blue color. Okay, good job. Okay, you have to trace, okay? What is it? What is this? This is the night. Everybody repeat after me. Night. Night. N-I-T. Night. N-I-T. Night. Good job, everybody. Excellent job. So you have to trace, okay? You have to trace. You're gonna trace better than me. I cannot trace very well because, but you can trace, right? You can trace better than me. Night. Night. Good job, everybody. Now let's go to the next word. High. High. Up high. High. Very high building. High. Okay, everybody. High. Now trace, okay? You have to trace the letters. Trace. Repeat after me. Sigh. Sigh. That is sigh, okay? That is sigh. Sigh. Okay, everybody. Trace right. 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 Good job. Everybody, repeat after me. sight, sight, S-I-T, sight. Be careful because these two words are not the same, okay? They sound similar, but this is sigh, and sigh means okay? And this is sight, our sense, one of our 5 senses, right? Okay. Everybody repeat after me. Light, light, L-I-T, light, L-I-T, light. Okay, good job. Trace, okay? Don't forget to trace. You have to trace, okay? You have to trace. Don't forget to trace. Don't forget to trace, okay, everybody? Don't forget to trace the I. Don't forget to trace. Okay, I'm gonna do it better. But you can do it better, right, kids? You can do it much better than the teacher. Yes, you can do much better than the teacher. This is light, okay, everybody? Trace. Don't forget to trace. You have to trace, okay? Trace, okay, everybody? We're gonna trace. Good job. Light. Everybody, we have to trace. Don't forget, we have to trace everything. Vamos a trazar todo. Okay, repeat after me. Bright. B-r-I-T. Bright. Bright. Good job. Excellent. Now, what do we have to do here? We have to trace the letters, okay? We have to trace I. Let's trace, okay? Trace with me. I. We have to trace I. We're gonna trace I, okay? Good job. We're gonna trace. And in here, we have to write, okay? We're gonna write. We have to write. We're gonna write it, okay? We're gonna write it. I. Okay, everybody, we're gonna trace, and we have to trace, and then we have to write I. Okay, everybody. Next is tight. Tight. Okay, everybody? Tight. Tight. It's a tight place, right? Es un lugar muy apretado. It's a tight place. So we're gonna trace tight, okay? Gonna trace I. This is I, okay? I. And what is this? This is a fight. Fight. Everybody repeat after me. Fight. 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 So we're gonna trace I, okay? We're gonna trace I. Okay, everybody, good job. Now, what do you have to do? We have to draw something with the sound I. For example, what do I like? Night. I'm gonna draw the night. Okay, so I need stars. I'm gonna draw stars. Okay, a lot of stars. I love stars. So a lot of stars because it's the night. The night. I'm gonna draw the night. Okay. I'm gonna draw the night. Okay, this is the night. And don't forget to draw the moon. We have to draw the moon, okay? Okay, let's see. Where is the moon? I gotta draw the moon, okay? We're gonna draw the moon, okay? You're gonna do it better than me. I cannot draw very well, but you can do it better, right? You can do it much better than me. You can do so much better than me, I know. So you do it your way, okay? I'm trying to draw the moon. Okay, so this is the moon, and okay, so this is the moon, and these are the stars, okay? Okay, so this is the night, so everything must be blue. All the sky should be blue, and this should be yellow, right? Because this is the night. Okay, good job, everybody. It looks like a banana, I know. But maybe you can do it better, right? Yes, you can do it better. Yes, you can do it much better than me. I know. Okay. So this is what we have to do now. Okay, we're gonna draw stars, a lot of stars, and the moon. So this is the night. Okay, everybody, repeat after me. Night, night, night. Don't forget to write night, okay? Don't forget to write night. Don't forget to write night. Okay, everybody? Don't forget to write night. Night. Okay, everybody, so that was all for today. Yes, so practice. This is night. Okay? I. The sound I. This was the sound I. Okay, everybody. Thank you for today. See you next class. Bye-bye.